Hey guys, happy Thursday. My name is Maddie Newton, for those of you that don't know, and today I am so excited because I haven't done a makeup tutorial in a long time. Today was really fun to film because I partnered up with Neutrogena, and thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video because I got to try new products from their healthy skin line, and I'm kind of obsessed because nobody, I don't know, maybe some people do, but I don't like to come home sometimes after wearing makeup because I feel like my skin just got worse throughout the day. I love having products that are actually better for my skin, like the healthy skin line, because I know that it just gives me a flawless, healthy, youthful looking face while also actually having so many benefits that help my skin in the long run. Just a little disclaimer, I normally in the spring and summertime have a little bit more color. I mean, it's fake color. It's like a spray tan or self tanner. So I got the products that are slightly darker than I am right now. So it might seem like they're a little darker, but they won't be when I actually have the right color I'm supposed to have in this season. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet and want to join the family, go ahead and do that now and hit the little notifications button. It's a little bell, and then you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So today I filmed a tutorial on kind of a natural smoky eye that I wanted to be kind of effortlessly smoky, you know, like, oh, did she just wake up and her eyes were that sultry? I don't know. So if you want to see how I got this look, let's get on into the tutorial. I haven't said that in so long. So for the sake of time, I already applied the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Primer because I wanted to let it set into my face, so I just let it soak in for a minute. Next, I'm going to mix both the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Enhancer and the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Liquid Makeup. I'm mixing the two because I don't want to have a huge coverage, but I still want it to be more than just the enhancer, because the enhancer gives just kind of like a nice light tint to your face, but I want more than that, but not as much as the liquid makeup. So I'm gonna mix the two. Don't get on my bed, don't get on my bed. Oh my gosh, but a little too much. So just so you know, it comes out of the bottle really fast. So first I'm just going to dot it on my face and then take a brush to blend it in. So mixing the two, you can see, gives it a nice coverage, but it still keeps it kind of dewy and fresh with the enhancer mixed in. So now I'm going in with the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Brightening Eye Perfector. And I'm just taking this in kind of a triangle shape under my eyes. Again, this will do a lot more brightening when I'm dark enough for it to brighten. And then I'm just blending it out with my little concealer brush. I love the formula of this concealer because I feel like it has the perfect balance between having coverage but not creasing up on you, because I feel like sometimes they're either too moisturizing and then they kind of slide off your face, or they're too thick and matte and they crease up. And this I feel like is the perfect balance and brightens underneath your eyes. Next, I'm taking the Healthy Skin Pressed Powder, and I love the formula of this powder. I have been wearing this all the time. It glides on so smoothly and adds a little more coverage, but it doesn't make your face makeup cakey, which is great. It just kind of evens all the tones out, and it helps set your face for the rest of the day so that your makeup stays on and doesn't slide while it's hot outside, because the springtime gets warmer. I'm only taking a bronzer. I'm not using blush, and this is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blends Natural Radiance Bronzer. So it looks like this. There's 4 different shades. And I'm just going to put this all over my face like you normally would, just to kind of give some definition and contour to the face. So now I'm just taking some of this bronzer on a fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to put it in the crease of my eye to kind of start defining the eye shape. And we're gonna use other eyeshadows, but I just like to take my bronzer because I feel like it is a natural way to create definition in your eye. Next, I'm taking the Nourishing Longwear eyeshadow and built-in primer, and I think these are so cool because just like it says, they're eyeshadow with primer in them, so you don't have to worry about not having a primer with you, or if you don't use a primer but your eyeshadow always creases, these will not crease. So this one is in the shade Make Brown. So to start off, I'm going to take that medium brown up at the top on a flat eyeshadow brush. And this is just going to go all over the lid. One thing that I found too, which I don't know if it's because it has a built-in primer in it, but these eyeshadows don't seem to have a lot of fallout, which is so great because not only can you do your makeup and not worry about having to redo your face, but this is the kind of stuff that you can take with you. Like if you need to touch up your makeup in the car or something, you can put this on and know that you didn't mess up your face and you don't have to like scavenge to find a makeup wipe or something. I'm also going to take some of that color on the same eyeshadow brush and run it along the lower lash line to just kind of even out the top and the bottom a little bit. Now I'm just taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend out these edges. Now on more of a tapered crease brush, I am taking that darker brown and I'm just going to take this on the outer fourth of my eye to just add depth in that outer corner. And then I'm also going to just lightly run it into the crease of my eye. That same color I'm not adding on anymore. I'm just gonna blend the outer corner with the crease a little bit. And run that along the outer part of my lower lash line as well. I'm going to take my fluffy blending brush that doesn't have any color on it again and just blend out those edges. Now I'm going to take the bottom that is a very dark brown, almost black. It's not black, but dark, dark brown flat eyeliner brush. And I'm just going to line my eye. I want to do shadow because it's going to make it a little less harsh and add to that smoky effect. So I'm going to literally get as close to the lash line as I can, all the way around my eye. And then once I get to the outer corner, if you have to pick up more shadow, totally fine. And then out here, I'm going to flick it out a little bit. Like that. So it kind of makes a wing, but it's not as harsh as using actual eyeliner. Now I'm taking that lightest shade on a really itty bitty brush, and this is going to go on my brow bone, right underneath my eyebrows. And I'm also going to pop a little bit on my inner corner to brighten up the eye. Now I am going to take an eyeliner, and this is Spiced Chocolate. This is a brown, and I'm just going to line the tight line, which is right underneath the lash line. And if you wanted to go for a darker effect, then you could put it on the waterline at the bottom as well, but I wanted to leave those bare because I felt like it kept it a little more open. So now we are going to define our brows, and I have never been a fan of pencils really, but I love this one. Oop, and it's falling. Everything's falling on me today. But this is the Neutrogena Nourishing Brow Pencil in the shade Soft Brown. I wish it was a little bit more of an auburn color, but I feel like it still works, which is so weird. I'm not gonna fill it in too crazy because I feel like this is supposed to be kind of more of a daytime look. So I'm going to just lightly shape it. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and use the Neutrogena Healthy Volume waterproof mascara because I don't like my mascara to go anywhere, and sometimes when it's getting warmer outside, it can, if it touches your skin and you're hot, it can start to run, so I like waterproof. And now to top it off, I am taking literally one of my all-time favorite lip products, and this is the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick in the shade Almond Nude. This stuff, first of all, just smells, oh, I put it on my nose, that's great. It smells incredible. And that is it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you want to use blush, you totally can. This is just kind of the look I was going for today. And honestly, if you're into cream blushes, you could even use this color we used on our lips as blush. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and it will let me know that you like tutorials. And if there's any other look you would want me to try and do a tutorial on, let me know in the comments below, because I love doing these and it's been so long since I've done them, so I definitely want to do more. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all of the social media so we can be friends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.